Our company has more than 10 years of history, is an export company integrating design, development, production, sales and service. It mainly production of all kinds of roofing sheet cold roll forming tile making machine. Continuously carries out technological innovation, and strictly follows the quality management system in production. Our products have passed technical qualification certification and are exported to more than 60 countries and regions in South Asia, Southeast Asia, Africa, Middle East and South America. Sangzhou Dixin Company will always be your trustworthy friend.